Hi everyone, Itzel here with Studio Designer. Today we're diving into how to make bulk edits to your items in Studio Designer so you could stay organized and on top of shifting timelines. Whether you're managing one major install or juggling multiple projects at once, it's easy for vendor delays and last-minute changes to throw you off track. But with just a few clicks, you can update ship dates, statuses, and delivery details across multiple items, helping you stay ahead as install day approaches. Filling out these fields is also crucial if you want to easily generate reports in Studio Designer that give you a comprehensive view of project progress, upcoming deliveries, and potential bottlenecks, so you always have the full picture at your fingertips. Instead of updating each item one at a time, Studio Designer lets you edit 10, 20, or even more than 50 items at once. You can shift ship dates when timelines change, because they always do, update statuses across multiple items, and add items to invoices or purchase orders instantly. Small workflows like this can save you hours while giving you a clearer view of your projects in motion. To begin, you'll navigate to Projects, then Items from your main menu. You can now view and manage all your project items in one place. You'll use the filters at the top to narrow down the items you need to update. For example, if you need to adjust ship dates for an upcoming install, you might filter by Project Lake House Project, and the status by going to Filters, selecting Ordered, applying the filter. Once your filtered list appears, use a checkbox at the top to select all or select individual items you need to update. With your item selected, click the icon with the 3 dots at the top of your screen. A drop-down will pop up, allowing you to adjust ship dates by selecting Update Dates. Select the date field you want to batch update for example, shipped, and select the date, and then save. To update statuses, click on the icon with the 3 dots again and select the status under Priority Color. These statuses can be customized to fit your firm's needs. For this instance, we'll select Shipped, and then save. As you can see here, if I were to filter for shipped, they have been changed. This step helps you quickly align your items with your project's changing needs. All your selected items will update instantly, keeping your procurement and shipping details accurate without the repetitive clicks. There are also many other options available, such as adding multiple items to a proposal, to approving multiple items at once, which we highly recommend checking out to streamline your workflow. And that's it! Using batch updates in the Studio Designer helps you stay organized and prepared for shifting project timelines. It's a small change in your workflow that can make a big difference when managing procurement and installs. Try it out this week and see how much time you save. Thank you for watching, and until next time.